Welcome to another edition of Bosch Solves. Today we have a vehicle in the shop with a customer reporting a fuel smell from the exhaust, poor gas mileage, and sluggish acceleration. Let's begin with a rapid DTC scan using our ADS 525X or ADS 625X Diagnostic Scan Tool. No trouble codes are found. Next, we'll perform a volumetric efficiency test to check if the MAP sensor is reporting correctly and the engine is receiving enough air. Since we're already connected to the vehicle, we select Special Test and choose Volumetric Efficiency. The step-by-step guide helps us conduct the test. If there's an issue with VE, it means the fuel isn't burning efficiently. The VE test reveals that the MAP sensor numbers are not within the expected range, indicating the engine is getting too much air. We'll inspect the tubing between the MAP sensor and the intake using the SMT 500 or SMT 300 to test for leaks. No leaks are detected. We'll then compare the MAP sensor's frequency reading to the OE spec using the MMD 540H CAT III Multimeter with the OE spec found in Repair Source. We find that the frequency readings are low, pointing to a faulty MAP sensor. We'll proceed to replace the MAP sensor. After the repair, we'll take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure it's running smoothly and the smell of fuel has subsided. We'll perform a final post-scan using rapid DTC scan on our Diagnostic Scan Tool. With no more codes detected, we can confidently return the vehicle to the customer. Bosch, the global leader in the automotive aftermarket, providing solutions for every shop.